2.5 number 37 is asking us to take a limit as x approaches 2 of x cubed minus 8 over x minus 2. Plug and chug is the first thing you should try, but of course 2 minus 2 gets you 0 on the bottom. That is not going to work. So in order to do this one, we kind of have to go in the opposite direction of what I did in a couple previous problems where we had to expand a binomial to the third power. Here, we have something up in the numerator, guys, that I'm hoping you might have recognized. We have a difference of cubes. Now, that is not something I would expect you guys necessarily to remember how to do, but it is written in the textbook right above these problems right here. They give you the factoring pattern for a cubed minus b cubed. So real quick, let me just jot that down right here in case you guys missed it. So let me go with this one right here. A cubed minus b cubed, everybody. That one factors into a binomial. That's just going to be a minus b. And then we have a quadratic trinomial here that is going to be an a squared. It'll be a plus ab and then a plus b squared at the end of all that. And if you wanted to do the double distributive property from here into there, trust me, you'll end up right back there. Okay, so knowing that, here we go. We now have to factor the numerator. Limit as x approaches 2 of, and here's what's going up on the top here, guys. This term right here, x cubed, is our a cubed term. That tells us here that in this problem, a is the cube root of this term, which is just x. The 8 right here is b cubed. That means that b is the cube root of that 8 right there. Our b is equal to 2 in this case. So here we go. We're going to start with the binomial a minus b, which in this case is going to be x minus 2. And right there, I think you see already where this problem is going. In parentheses, what comes next? A squared, which for us in this problem is going to be x squared, and then plus the product of a times b. That's an x times 2, so that'll be a plus 2x there, got it, and then a plus b squared. Since b is 2, b squared will be 4 at the end of all that. The denominator, x minus 2, does not cancel. That's a prime binomial, but I'm sure by now you guys realized what happened. The x minus 2 on top and the x minus 2 on bottom cancel out, which means that plug and chug will work now because our denominator is just 1. So 2 squared is going to give us a 4. Plus 2 times 2 is going to give us another 4, and as luck would have it, plus a third 4 is going to get us our final answer for this limit problem of 12.